Risk disclaimer.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you and revealing to you how I would invest $1,000 in cryptocurrency by June 2021. Okay, how I will invest $1,000. So if I have $1,000 today, what will I do with it? How will I invest it in cryptocurrencies? That's what we're going to be looking into today. I'm going to be revealing my 6 cryptocurrencies that I will be putting in my money. Remember, this is for information and educational purpose. This is not an attempt to entice anybody to buy cryptocurrency. And of course, I am not a financial advisor, no guarantee of risk. And please be sure, common sense 101. Investing 101. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living and I disciple others to success in Forex. And I just want to welcome you to this video. If you have been coming, frequenting you've been coming to our channel but you have not subscribed, come on now, what are you waiting for? Do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, then like this video, and of course leave your questions, your comment below this video, and share this video with somebody. And if today is the first time you are stopping by our channel, come on now, we say thank you so much for stopping by, and we really appreciate you, and I don't take it for granted. Also, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, smash on that bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. In this channel, we provide you financial education, personal finance, we talk about forex trading, stocks trading, cryptocurrency trading, and of course, because I'm a minister of the gospel, we also talk about spirituality, personal development, and it's combo all you can eat right on this channel. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Do that and we will continue with this video in a second. How I will invest $1,000 in cryptocurrency by June 2021. All right, welcome back. Just like when meteorologists tell us that, okay, it's going to rain tomorrow, or there is 100% chances of rainfall tomorrow, or there is 80% chance of snowing tomorrow, and it will snow or it will rain. The same thing is investing. There are people that, all they do all day long is studying the economy, studying finance, and studying, cryptocurrencies, and so on and so forth. Somebody like me, I'm still a student myself, learning. So I follow others just like you follow me. Apostle Paul say, follow me as I follow Christ, right? So when you look into what these specialists, these experts, what they are saying about cryptocurrencies, then you will know and agree and believe that cryptocurrencies have come to stay. Okay, blockchain technology has actually come to stay. So irrespective of what Elon Musk or whoever tweet, it has come to stay. So now, if I had $1,000, how will I invest my $1,000? Number one, I will put $500 into Ethereum. Yes, $500 into Ethereum. Yes, I will put $500 into Ethereum. Half of the $1,000 will go to Ethereum. Why? There are a lot of videos online about Ethereum and of course what Ethereum is set to do, talking about Ethereum ecosystems, talking about the potential or the return potential on Ethereum. Right now, Bitcoin is around 48,000, $48,000. Even in this bull run, if Bitcoin gets to, let's say, 200,000, okay, if Bitcoin gets to 200,000, the highest you will be making on your money will be like times 5. But with Ethereum is undervalued right now. Ethereum is undervalued right now. When you look at where we are with Ethereum, Ethereum is less than 4,000 right now. So, and if Bitcoin is going to 200,000, conservatively, I would say Ethereum will get to 20,000. Okay, 1/10, 10% of Bitcoin price. That is how I will look at it. But there are even some people, someone like Tyler Winklevoss, says that, okay, even Ethereum could get to like 78,000. But when you are investing, I hope you know that you are not investing into today or next week. You are looking into, let's say, next 5 years, next 10 years. What about next 20 years? How much do you think Ethereum will get to next 20 years, next 10 years? Okay, if Ethereum is, let's say, 3,800 right now, it therefore means that in the next 10 years, we might be talking about Ethereum 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, even 100,000. Okay, there's this video that I think you should see. Then we will continue to my number 2 coin.
Love that. And with Ether, I know it's not as talked about in the media, but when it comes to the predictions of where Ether can go and how it's utilized and where it could be from a price perspective, like, what's your thoughts on that, on where Ether could go from a place of value?
Ether has tremendous capabilities because Bitcoin's digital gold, right? It's sort of moving value from A to B, and there doesn't seem to be a huge appetite in the community to experiment or sort of screw it up, right? It's like, we've got a good thing going. Let's not run too fast. Let's not be too exotic. Whereas Ethereum is like it's a decentralized operating system. So the promise is that you can create these applications on top of it, permissionless. The same way you could build an application, I don't know about anymore, but back in the day, you could build a company on top of Facebook. So companies like Zynga, which actually IPO'd and was worth, I think, at least $1 billion, was a company built on top of Facebook. So most companies today are built on top of a cloud computing service like Amazon. So you rent space from Jeff Bezos and Amazon. Ethereum is a decentralized Amazon where you can build your applications there and you run the computing power by owning Ether. Instead of running your credit card through Amazon Cloud, AWS Web Services, you just pay the network in Ether. It's not centralized. It's not a company. It's a centralized network, and you can you could create decentralized Twitter on it. You could create decentralized Facebook, decentralized whatever. No one can stop it. No one really controls it. It's owned by the users. That's the beauty of cryptocurrency, is that the value accrues to the people who use the network, not just a few people in a company in Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
So, Ether's got to upgrade. It's moving to ETH 2. There's some scalable things that it's got to work through. But like, I'm an optimist, and the smartest folks in the room are working on it. So if Ether is your global computer in the future, what's that worth? It's got to be a ton, and it's got to be worth as much as digital gold, I would think, maybe more.
Did you catch that? If Ethereum succeeds as being an open source base layer for decentralized applications around the world, what is that worth?
What's that worth? It's got to be a ton, and it's got to be worth as much as digital gold, I would think, maybe more.
Okay, so if Ethereum is worth as much as digital gold, well, that would mean that it would also take a $9 trillion market cap. So today, Ethereum has a market cap of 80 billion. So 90 trillion divided by 80 billion equals a 112 times increase. Ethereum's price today is 700 times 112 equals over $75,000.
All right, so where can you buy Ethereum? Of course, many exchange platforms sell Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum on Coinbase. If you are in US or even anywhere you are, you can use a Coinbase. And the most apps, even if you use Robinhood, you can buy Ethereum on Robinhood. If you use Voyager, you can buy Ethereum there. And I mean, Ethereum is common and easy to buy. All you have to do is go to CoinMarketCap and you can just look at the market and you will see all the exchange platforms where you can buy Ethereum. All right, so number 2, let's go to my coin number 2. Which one will be my number 2? Cardano. Okay, Cardano. So this is the way I will look at it. If Ethereum, think about Ethereum as a decentralized Amazon. You know, with Amazon, different people have a different businesses built on Amazon. Okay, just like what Tyler explained, right? Now, think about Cardano as Shopify. It's like a competition to Amazon. So the same thing when you looking into Cardano, I believe Cardano even has a very, very huge potential. Because I try to keep this video very short, where I will not be going into detail of each of these microcurrencies, but we'll be creating trainings and videos on each of them to let you know why I picked them. So number 2 will be Cardano, because we're looking into Web 3.0 right here. And number 1, the price also is still very, very still cheap. It's still cheap. We're still looking to $2. So what I will do, I will put $200 into Cardano. So $500 to Ethereum, $200 to Cardano. Okay, that's what I will do. Then coin number 3. So my coin number 3 that I will put my money into, we've put $500 to Ethereum, we've put $200 to Cardano, then I will put $200 to Young Finance. Yes, $200 to Young Finance, YFI. Why? It's just a project personally that I love. Chinese are behind it, and of course, there is a huge, huge potential of having maximum return on my money with it. So I will put $200. I will put $200. So I have $500 on Ethereum. I have $200 of Cardano, and I will put $200 on YFI. Why? Because I just believe in the project. So now we have $100 remain. So the $100 that remain, I will be splitting it between these remaining cryptocurrencies. So the remaining $100, I will be splitting them between my, right now I have my Exodus on my phone. So I'm going to be splitting the remaining $100. I will buy some Litecoin. Okay, I will buy some Litecoin. I will buy some Chainlink. I will buy some Decentraland. I will buy some Uniswap. Even from the $100, I will just split the $100 to $20 and buy 5 of these coins. And of course, I will put $20 to Polkadot. So that is what I will do. So that is how I will invest $1,000 to about 6 to 8 different microcurrencies. Okay, and remember, when you are investing, it's not for today, it's for tomorrow. As long as the health remaineth, seed time and harvest will not cease. Remember, so there is seed. The seed is what? The investing part, the planting. Then there will be time, okay, time in between, and there will be what? Harvesting. So when you are investing, please, number 1, do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Cryptocurrency investing or market is very, very volatile. You can invest today, like let's say, imagine Bitcoin was like over $60,000 2-3 weeks ago. Today is over $40,000. So Ethereum is around the $4,000 plus few days ago. Today is $3,000 plus. So cryptocurrency can shoot to the moon, and of course it can just go down. And somebody will say, okay, so Apostle, what about a Dogecoin? Yes, I have some Dogecoin, but Dogecoin for me personally, is not one of my top 6. It's not one of my top 6 cryptocurrencies. I play with Dogecoin, just like the coin itself. The creator of the coin says it's just a fun coin. So I put in some money into Dogecoin. When it goes up little, I sell it, and when it fall again, I buy back. That's what I do with Dogecoin. Then what about BTT, BitTorrent? Yes, I have some, and that also is one of the long-term cryptocurrencies that I have, and that also I keep for long-term purpose. There is nothing that is really happening right now, but hey, if anything happens, that will also be another huge potential, return potential. I'm going to be creating separate video to treat each of these cryptocurrencies so that you will know. Another cryptocurrencies that if I have money that I will put my money into is a Dragon coin, okay? DRGN. I love the project, and remember, it's not just about the coin, it's about the project that the cryptocurrency, that the coin or the cryptocurrency is all about. Then of course I will put my money into that. I will be telling you more about some of these cryptocurrencies that I will be putting in my money into, okay, if I had another 1,000. So remember, today we're talking about $1,000. So let's assume, okay, now you have $2,000. Some of you watching this video, you have more than that. And it is possible also you don't have $1,000. You can still invest into cryptocurrency. If we say, okay, Bitcoin is $60,000, you don't have to have $60,000 to invest into Bitcoin. If it is $10 you have, $20 you have, invest according to your size. Do not borrow to invest. Do not copy somebody to invest. Invest according to your size. Okay, I hope you got something from today's video. If you do, please come on now, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, leave your comment below, and if there's any cryptocurrency you want me to cover, come on, leave it in your at the description or comment section below this video. I will attend to it, and thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in our tomorrow's video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.